The formula generator is a great feature that makes it possible for you to use AI to generate custom Google Sheets functions and formulas based on your text prompt. It's a great feature for cases where you need a formula, but you don't want to spend too much time looking things up on the web. You don't want to go to ChatGPT. You don't want to write a lot of prompts. You just want that formula. So we have a fine-tuned feature that spits out a custom Google Sheets function just for your specific task. Let me show you a quick example of how to do that. So we have a list of names and we just want to extract the first name from the list of full names. So let's go to the formula generator and write our prompt. So separate the first name from the last name in A2, A16. So we won't specify the cell range because we cannot actually feed this data to AI, even though the results are pretty good. You need to keep that in mind. So always specify the cell range that you want to process. And ideally, you want to be specific as far as the output that you expect as well. Returning only the first name. And once it's done, we're going to click on Generate Formula. Wait for a bit. And here we have our formula. So you can copy this formula or you can just paste that formula in the active cell. So in our case, that's B2. And here we have our formula that separates the first name from the last name. As you can see, very quick, very easy, saves a lot of time. We have some examples here as well. But it's a lazy way to generate Google Sheets functions and formulas if you don't really want to spend too much time doing that. Thank you.